Being in the asset protection and offshore financial services industry for 26 years, I've seen many changes come down the line. One of them is the enhanced due diligence required in order to set up an international bank account or company. They need to make sure that whoever gets through is a good guy and not a bad guy. And here's the reason why. Just like airport security, if they just let one bad guy through into the travel system, that could be a major catastrophe like we experienced back in 2001. So the banking world has taken on the same tight restrictions to make sure to do their part to keep the bad guys out. And here's what can happen. Let's say a terrorist gets through and opens up a bank account in Belize or Panama or some other place and uses that money to launch an attack on some country such as the United States. Well, that bank will be put out of business, costing possibly hundreds or thousands of jobs, millions and millions of dollars that it cost to start that bank in the first place. And that's why no bank is going to give a wink and a nod to any one person and let them slip through without providing the full due diligence that's required by the law. International regulators put tremendous pressure on banks, even in faraway places, and they will forbid them from wiring in certain currencies such as US dollars, which would effectively put that bank out of business. So that's why that's one of the reasons why a banker or regulator or company services provider is not going to let somebody slide through just because they're a good guy. That would put the industry, that institution, and the service provider in a bad place and would not allow them to continue to service anybody else. So they're not just going to look the other way and let one person slip through, and so that's why they're going to be scrutinizing everybody. So that's one of the biggest changes I've seen over the years, the enhanced due diligence required by financial institutions and service providers like us that we have to, by law, provide to the international community.